Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends. Today in this video we have one very interesting question from radical equations which will be solving for the real values of x. Equation is x plus a square root of 4 minus a square root x equal to 4 given that x belongs to real numbers. So let's get it started. We have a square root x involved. So I can easily write our answer must be positive for sure. Now we'll be using substitution. Let's say radicand 4 minus root x. Suppose this is equal to y. So I will write here let 4 minus square root x equal to y. So from this equation I can write y plus square root x must be equal to 4 as per our substitution. I will consider this is one of the equation. Now from the original equation I will write x plus square root y equal to 4. Let's say this is first equation. Here we can write equation 2. So I will write our equation 2 over here, y plus square root x equal to 4. Now we are going to perform operation 1 minus 2. So here we will change the sign. Plus 4 and minus 4 will be over. I will get x minus y plus square root y minus square root x equal to 0. Now I can write x as square root x whole square. Y will be written as square root y whole square. Minus I will take common, or minus 1 I will take common. In bracket I can write root x minus root y equal to 0. Now we will be using difference of two squares formula here. We will write square root x plus square root y times square root x minus square root y minus 1 times in the bracket square root x minus square root y equal to. Now we can easily take square root x minus square root y overall common. So square root x minus square root y will be in the bracket times square root x plus square root y minus 1 equal to 0. Now we can go for product 0 root. So we will be writing either square root x minus square root y will be equal to 0 or square root x plus square root y minus 1 equal to 0. So from our first equation we will get square root x equal to square root y. And from our second equation we can write square root x plus square root y equal to 1. So we have to solve these two equations for the real values of x. Now I will write our first equation. First equation was x plus square root y equal to 4. This was our equation 1. Now here I will plug in root y equal to root x. So here I can write root x. So x plus root x equal to 4. Now x is square root x whole square. So I will write square root x whole square plus square root x equal to 4. Or we will write square root x whole square plus square root x minus 4 equal to 0. So this is one quadratic equation in variable root x. We are going to write the direct solution in root x as we have quadratic in root x. As per formula, if I will write here minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. From our equation, if I will write the value of a, b and c, then a is coefficient of square root x whole square, which is 1. B is coefficient of square root x, again 1. C will be constant, we'll write minus 4. Let's apply all the values in our formula. Minus b, so minus 1 plus minus square root of b square will be 1 square, which is 1, minus 4 times a is 1, c is minus 4. Denominator is 2 times 1, so 2 times 1 will be equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 1, minus times minus becomes plus, 4 times 4 is 16, over 2 times 1 is 2. Or we'll be writing minus 1 plus minus square root 17 over 2. So we have two values. I will write it separately, minus 1 plus square root 17 over 2 and minus 1 minus square root 17 over 2. Minus 1 minus square root 17 will be negative number. So divided by 2 is also negative number. Square root 17 is greater than 1. So minus 1 plus square root 17 is positive number. As per our condition on x, x should be positive for sure. So we are going to accept this solution and we are going to reject the second one. And this is the value of square root x. So I will write here square root x equal to minus 1 plus square root 17 over 2. Now we'll be squaring both sides. So we'll put part 2 in LHS, part 2 in RHS. Square root and square will be cancelled out. We will get x value as per our requirement. We'll write minus 1 plus square root 17 whole square over 2 whole square. Let's use a minus b whole square formula. We will get 1 plus square root 17 whole square will be 17 only, minus 2 times square root 17 over 4. So I can write x will be equal to 18 minus 2 square root 17 over 4. We can take 2 common from the numerator. So in the bracket we'll write 9 minus root 17 over 4. Now we can cancel denominator 4. So denominator will be 2. So here we have first real solution, 9 minus square root 17 over 2. Now this is from our first equation. Now we will take up second equation which we have to solve, square root x plus square root y equal to 1. So I can write square root y will be equal to 1 minus square root x. Now LHS is positive for sure for x or y to be real. So RHS must be positive. For RHS to be positive, square root x should be less than 1. After squaring this inequality, I can easily write x should be less than 1. So for second equation, our condition is x less than 1. Now I will write our equation once again, square root x plus square root y equal to 1. So from here square root y equal to 1 minus square root x, and our first equation is x plus square root y equal to 1. Now we will replace root y. So x plus 1 minus square root x, this will be equal to 4. Or we can write x minus square root x minus 3 equal to 0. Now we have to apply quadratic formula, as this is one quadratic equation in root x minus 3. Let's apply quadratic formula here. We will get the direct value of root x minus b. So minus of minus 1, we'll write 1 plus minus square root of b square will be equal to minus 1 square 1 minus 4 times 1 times minus 3, value will be plus 12 over 2 times 1, value will be 2. So I am going to write 1 plus minus square root 13 over 2. Now root x is less than 1. I will write two solutions, 1 plus root 13 over 2, 1 minus root 13 over 2. Our condition on x at the beginning, root x is there, so x is greater than 0. So finally we should get x value in the interval 0 and 1 for x to be real. For this equation, root x plus root y equal to 1 for real solutions. So 1 plus root 13 over 2. Root 13 is somewhere 3.5 plus 1 4.5 over 2. Value will be more than 1. So we will reject this. Here 1 minus root 13 is negative. We are going to get non-real solutions or imaginary solutions. Non-real solutions. So the only real solution will be 9 minus root 17 over 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.